And we believe in the right of every person of every faith to live in safety and dignity. The outrageous, horrendous truth is that 41 years after the atrocious assault on the Golden Temple, the freedom, safety, and future of the Sikh people are still under attack. The enemies of religious freedom are as brazen and ruthless as ever, yet this community continues to persevere through every attack and every injustice.
Very pleased to welcome here now minority whip of Democratic Party in U.S. House, Kathleen.
Catherine Clark. Yes.
Catherine Clark.
Thank you.
Okay.
You got that title right. Nobody gets the title right, so thank you.
Okay, my apologies. Okay, she has been a fervent supporter of Sikhs for quite some time and very knowledgeable about Sikh issues. So I'd like her to come and say a few words.
Oh, thank you. Thank you. What a pleasure to be with you all. And thank you, Dr. Singh, as always, for your friendship and your leadership, to the American Sikh Caucus Committee, Congresswoman Scanlon and Congressman Valadeo, for organizing this moment of prayer, remembrance, and reflection. We're gathered here because we all fundamentally believe in freedom. And we believe in the right of every person of every faith to live in safety and dignity. And we believe in speaking the truth. The outrageous, horrendous truth is that 41 years after the atrocious assault on the Golden Temple, the freedom, safety, and future of the Sikh people are still under attack. This campaign of oppression and terror is not a regional threat. It is not contained to any one country. This is the scourge of bigoted violence now transcends national borders. This is a global threat, one that is even extended to reach here in the United States. So it's never been more important to state clearly and unequivocally Congress's support for this community. And it remains unambiguous, unwavering, and bipartisan. This is about standing up for the well-being of our neighbors. It is about standing up for the most basic of American values. It is about standing up for the kind of world that we want to live in. The enemies of religious freedom are as brazen and ruthless as ever, yet this community continues to persevere through every attack and every injustice. So know this, we are in awe of your strength and resilience. I thank you for speaking out. I thank you for your courage. I thank you for believing that a better future is coming if we build it together. And I am so proud to be your partner in this work because the tides of history are with you and they will carry us forward into a world of true freedom and a world that is worthy of all our children. Thank you for being in DC. Thank you for joining us in a prayer on the House floor. And thank you for all your work for freedom for all of us. Thank you.
Thank you, Katherine.
Thank you so much.